Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm gonna take this little watering can that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, 90% off for 99 cents. And I am going to decorate it to fit my decor style, which is black and white. I love black and white for every season. So that's what I'll be doing in this video. So all I'm gonna do is simply just paint it black. And I'll be using some paint I already had, and I did not have a small brush, paintbrush, so I went ahead and used a little foam wedge. So that's what this channel is about, utilizing items you already have to cut down on cost. And so this video is part of a challenge, the hashtag Fall Decor DIY Challenge 2020, that's being hosted by Shushana over at Regal Designs by Shushana. And what she's asked us to do is just simply show a fall decor or DIY. And so that's what I'm doing here in this video, just showing you where I made over this watering can. So I want to go ahead and thank Shushana for hosting this challenge. I'll have a link to the playlist in the description box, and I'll also have a link to her channel. So if you enjoy budget-friendly content like this, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So I like nice and simple DIYs, so this is nice and simple here. I did 2 coats of the black, and I added some white hydrangeas that I already had from the Dollar Tree, and this is my little fall vignette that I have in my kitchen area. So that's it. So on this channel, this is Creating with Mrs Vee. I am inspiring you to do it yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.